Hello everyone, so today is another day of unboxing and you can see I bought Glade Automatic Spray. So we're going to unbox this Glade Automatic Spray. Actually, I bought this one because I'm amused with this style. So it's an automatic and we don't need any electricity to do this. It's only battery operated. So for now we have to unbox this. So we already cut the sticker here, so it's easy for us to take what's inside this box. But before that, there are some instructions and descriptions on this side. So you can see Glade Automatic Spray, and you can read a controllable power that delivers reliable fragrances, and so on and so forth. And on the other side as well, you can see the container. So this is the automatic spray bottle container, and at the back you can see also the directions for use. So how to spray, two ways to spray rather. So set timer, next boost button at the back, then how to hang. If you want to put it on the wall, you can know by reading this one, and then mount the unit onto the screen. So if you want to put that one on the screen or anywhere you want to put, you can. Also the user maintenance, so it's how to replace batteries and everything. This is so convenient. Alright, so at the front as well, you can see it quickly fills the room with fragrance up to 60 days. So it's up to 2 months. That's so cool, isn't it? And I chose the fragrance from Ocean Escape, right? It has lots of fragrances, but I decided to choose Ocean Escape. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Alright, here. So we're gonna take the container. It's here. So this is the back of the container. This is the automatic spray button. So if you don't want to use timer, you can also press this one and it will automatically spray. And this is like you can put on the wall, so you can put something on the wall like nail, then you can put this thing. And in our front, this is the spray where the spray comes out, and the bottom, this one, and at the top, this is the button that you have to press in order for this to open. Okay, let's try to open this. We have to press strongly. Oops. So here you go. It's already open. And you can see there are already 2 free batteries. It's here and on the other side. Alright, so inside there are timers. As what I said earlier, there are timers. So there are like 3 timers from 9 minutes to 18 minutes and 36 minutes. And here you go, there's the off thing, so it's set at the off button. Yeah, and then you can see here near the battery there is plastic, so we have to pull this thing off so that it can be used already. Right, so let's pull this off first. Oops, the battery comes out, so you have to put it again here. So you don't need to worry, this battery is AA battery, it's very common. Alright, so let's put this aside. So let's go with our fragrance container. So this is the main thing, the Glade Automatic Refill Container. So you don't need to worry if this will be over. You can buy this one separately, and it costs around $5, I think. So in peso it's 250 pesos. So this is the Ocean Escape, and it lasts up to 60 days. Right, so this is our two main thing inside the container. So now let's pull this thing off. Ooh, this is how it looks like, container. All right, and our automatic spray container. So let's open this again. Ta-da! So we have to put it inside, so be careful guys if you want to put this container inside. Make sure it's far away from your face, because once you turn this timer into 9, 18 or 36, it will automatically spray at first. Then after that, if you're gonna leave to 9, 18 or 36, it will follow the exact time. So I already put it correctly, so you can see it's still off here. So I have to time this one to 9 minutes. To 9 minutes. Alright, so be careful. Oh, see, it's spray, automatically spray. Ooh, it smells good. So make sure it's properly locked like this. You know what, it's really affordable. Buying this stuff costs around like almost 10 US dollars, or in peso like almost 500 pesos, and it's really nice. I think it's kind of better, this one, compared to humidifier, I think, because it has an automatic spray and just need battery. You don't need to put this one, you don't need to use electricity for this, so I think it's convenient. So let's wait. I hope it will be 9 minutes. So you can see this is the spray outlet. So this one, the water comes out, will spray good ambience to your room. Just like my room here. Wow, it's so amazing to have Glade Automatic Spray. Oh, let's wait. I hope it will spray. See? It's spray. And it smells so good. I love it. So that's it for our unboxing. So if you have any questions, you can put questions, comments on my comment section box below. And if you want to ask more, you can just send me through my email. But before that, I will hope you guys subscribe, like, and share my videos. So thank you so much for watching. This is Barry J, and thank you. This is another unboxing video. See you next time. Goodbye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.